In this video, we will discuss dental light settings on the DS5 touchscreen. Begin by selecting Settings, then Equipment Settings, and Dental Light. Here you can choose to have the dental light automatically turn on and off with the preset buttons. Enable or disable the Cure Safe button on the home screen, and show or hide the dental light controls on the home screen. Press the Home button to save your settings and exit to the home screen. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.